Good morning, children. In today's session, I'm going to give you a revision in science for 4th standard. So, in the previous class, we have already completed the objectives, children. That is 6 Roman numbers we have completed. That is choose, fill up, true or false, match, who am I, and group names. Okay, I hope you have all written in your class for this revision. Now, we'll continue with the question answers. Okay, children. That is Roman number 7. Answer the following. So, we are going to continue with the answer the following. So, all have to write this revision in your class for children. So, from this only you will get for your exam. So, first question. Why do birds build nest? Why do birds build nest? So already have this you have written in your classwork, children. Now for this revision again you are writing, okay? That is page number 78. Why do birds build nest? Birds build nest for their young ones. For their young ones. Then second question. What is meant by structural adaptation? Structural adaptation. Answer. It is in page number 81. Changes in the physical features changes in the physical features of the animal are called structural adaptation. Structural adaptation. Then third question. Define echolocation. Define echolocation. What is the question? Define echolocation. Answer is the ultrasonic sound. The ultrasonic sound produced. The ultrasonic sound produced helps the bats find their way at night. Find their way at night. Find their way at night and find out the objects Find out the objects on their path. Objects on their path. This is called echolocation. This is called echolocation. Okay. This is your third answer. Next is, how do ants feel the vibrations? How do ants feel the vibration? So what's the question? How do ants feel the vibration? Ants feel the vibrations. Ants feel the vibrations in the ground. In the ground through their feet. Through their feet. Okay, children, this is your fourth answer. Fifth one, list out any 3 animals, that live in groups. Answer is bees, lion and elephant. So once again we'll read this question answers. Why do birds build nest? Birds build nest for their young ones. What is meant by structural adaptation? Structural adaptation. Changes in the physical features of the animal are called structural adaptation. Define echolocation. The ultrasonic sound produced helps the bats find their way at night and find out the objects on their path. This is called echolocation. Fourth question, how do ants feel the vibration? Ants feel the vibrations in the ground through their feet. Fifth, list out any 3 animals that live in groups. Answer is bees, lion and elephant. Okay. So I'll drop the board now, children. We'll continue the questions now. So take down in your notebook neatly without any spelling mistakes, so that it will be easy for you to learn for your exam. Then 6th question. Why do birds fly in V shape? Fly in V shape. Answer. Birds fly in V shape. Birds fly in V shape to reduce wind resistance. To reduce wind resistance. This is your 6th answer. Now for the 7th, we'll go to the 3rd lesson. Okay. Now those who have the book can take 3rd lesson, that is page number 98. Okay, children? Write down now. What are the importance of air in our daily life? In our daily life. So the answer is, it's in the page number 88. So 2 points is enough for you, children. Oxygen present in the air. Oxygen present in the air is needed for respiration. Then second point, air regulates the atmospheric temperature. So this 2 points is enough for this question. Now next is 8th one. Question. What are the components of air? What are the components of air? Answer. Nitrogen. So what is the answer, children? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases. Okay, this is your 8th question. So once again we'll read. Why do birds fly in V shape? Birds fly in V shape to reduce wind resistance. 7th question. What are the importance of air in our daily life? First point. Oxygen present in the air is needed for respiration. And then the second point. Air regulates the atmospheric temperature. Atmospheric temperature. 8th question. What are the components of air? Nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide and other gases. So next, take down this in your classwork, children. So next question. 9th. What are the adverse effects of air pollution? What are the adverse effects of air pollution? Answer. It's on page number 94. Global warming, formation of smog, formation of acid rain, and depletion of ozone. Okay. Then 10th question. List any 2 uses of oxygen. List any 2 uses of oxygen. That is, it's in page number 92. Any 2 only they have asked, children. So first point is all living things use oxygen for breathing. Then second point. Oxygen is essential for burning. Okay, children, this 2 points is enough. Only 2 they have asked, so this 2 points is enough. Okay. So once again, what are the adverse effects of air pollution? Global warming, formation of smog, formation of acid rain, depletion of ozone. Then 10th question, list any 2 uses of oxygen. All living things use oxygen for breathing and the oxygen is essential for burning. So these 10 questions. Next we'll go to the TT. So all these 10 question answers you have to write in your classwork, and from this you will get the questions for the annual exam, children. Okay. So you have to be thorough with all these 10 question answers. From this you will get for your annual exam. Next, same way, answer in detail also. Answer in detail. First question. The question is, explain the three main body regions of insects. Main body regions of insect. So this you have in page number 83. So now we are going to write these three main parts now. Answer is first one, head. Okay. The main visible parts on the head are the large compound eyes, the antennae, and the mouth parts. That is for the head. Okay. Now next part is thorax. The thorax is the middle region of the body. Thorax is the middle region of the body. It bears 3 pairs of legs, and 2 pairs of wings, and 2 pairs of wings. Okay. Next side heading is abdomen. How will you pronounce? You have to pronounce it as abdomen. Okay. So for abdomen, the abdomen is the last. The abdomen is the last part of the body. Last part of the body. Abdomen have clear segmentation. Abdomen have clear segmentation. Okay children, this is the first detail. You have to write down like this. Okay, that is head. The main visible parts on the head are the large compound eyes, the antennae and the mouth parts. Next, thorax side heading. The thorax is the middle region of the body. It bears 3 pairs of legs and 2 pairs of wings. Next side heading, abdomen. The abdomen is the last part of the body. Abdomen have clear segmentation. Now next detail. I hope you are writing the classwork, children. So next detail. What are nocturnal animals? What are nocturnal animals? Answer. Some animals sleep in the daytime. Sleep in the daytime. and are very active at night. And are very active at night. Not only small animals, not only small animals, not only small animals, but also some birds are active at night, are active at night, active at night. Such animals are called nocturnal animals. Example, owl. Example, owl. Okay, children. Now we'll go to the third detail. That is from the third lesson we are going to see now. Third detail is, what are the disease? What are the diseases caused due to air pollution? Air pollution. What are the diseases caused due to air pollution? It's in page number 95. That is respiratory diseases, cardiovascular damage, headaches, fatigue and headache. Then fourth point, nervous system damage. Okay, what is the question? What are the diseases caused due to air pollution? First point, respiratory diseases, cardiovascular damage, fatigue and headache, nervous system damage. Now we'll go to the last question now, last detail. So you have 10 question answers and 4 details, children. Whatever I have given, learn well, okay? From this only you will get for your annual exam. Question is, list the uses of carbon dioxide. List the uses of carbon dioxide. Answer. Carbon dioxide helps plants in photosynthesis. Then it is used in fire extinguishers. It is used in fire extinguishers. It is used in refrigerators. It is used in refrigerators as dry ice for cooling purposes. The last point, it is used to make plastic. Okay, so with this we'll finish this revision, children. So once again we'll read this fourth last question. List the uses of carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide helps plants in photosynthesis. It is used in fire extinguishers. Fire extinguishers. It is used in refrigerators as dry ice for cooling purposes. It is used to make plastic. Okay, children. So with this we finish this revision. So what we have finished: choose, fill up, true or false, match, who am I, group names, and answer the following 10 questions and detail 4 questions. Okay, with this we finish this annual revision. So from this only you will get for your annual exam. Learn well for exam, children. Thank you.